Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today, we are going to go over 3 ways to get Microsoft Outlook for free. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description. My first option to get Outlook for free is to go to office.com. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can sign in with that, or you can create a new Microsoft account for free. So go ahead and do that, and then you will be brought to this screen. So once I'm on this screen, I can look on this bar on the left and I can see Outlook. So if I click that, I will launch Microsoft Outlook and I can start using this for free. So if I look over here, I can see that I have my inbox available to me. If I click here, I can use my calendar, and if I click here, I can view all of my contacts. So mail, calendar, contacts. And this is the free version of Outlook that you can use online, and you can use this on any computer, and you will still be able to access your own account because all of your data is stored out on the cloud. The second way I can get Outlook for free is to get the desktop version. Now, the desktop version is nice because you don't have to be connected to the internet to still be able to use Microsoft Outlook. So if you're taking your laptop somewhere where you know you won't have Wi-Fi, this is a good option to use. So if I go down here and I type in Store, and I click the icon here for the Microsoft Store, I can now search for Outlook. I'm going to click up here and just type Outlook and hit Enter. And if I scroll down, I can see right here with mail and calendar that this is free. So if I click on that, you can see right here that this is from Microsoft, so you know that this is Outlook. And I can install this and I'll be able to use this on my PC. So once it's installed, if I go down here and I type in Outlook, you can see the app right here and you will be able to use it on your PC. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now, my third option is being able to install Outlook on my smartphone. I have an iPhone, but you can follow the same process for a Droid. So if I go here and I click on App Store, once in here, I can search for Outlook. And I can go down to Microsoft Outlook and hit the Get button and go ahead and go through the installation process on that. So once it's installed, you can see that it appears on my phone. If I click on that, I can just go through and hit Add an Account, and I can add my Microsoft account, and I can start using Microsoft Outlook on my phone as well. So those are 3 options that you have for getting Microsoft Outlook for free. You can go to office.com, you can get the desktop version for your PC, or you can use your smartphone version. Hopefully one or all of those options work for your needs in using Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.